Hi friends, welcome to AWS DevOps sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about handlers concept in Ansible. So, how we are going to handling the tasks with the Ansible handlers, everything we are going to discuss in this session. First of all, we need to understand what do you mean by handlers and where we are going to use this handlers concept. What do you mean by handlers? Handlers are nothing but the scenario I am going to explain. If I want to execute one task, for executing that task, I need to finish one more task. That will be called as handler. Here, my scenario is I want to execute one task, but in order to execute that task, before the task, I need to finish another task. Here, there is a dependency, just like the triggering jobs, like job 1, job 2, post build actions. If you observe in the Jenkins concept, one job has been completed, it is going to trigger the other job. In the similar way, it is also if one task is need to be executed, it need to finish the prior task. For example, the scenario it may be HTTP service installation. Here the first scenario is what? I need to install the HTTP package on the target server. Once the package has been successfully installed, I need to start the service. Okay. Here with the help of the handlers concept, I am going to deploy the HTTP service on the target servers. Okay, just let us quickly jump into the practical session. Then you will have the better understanding. So right now I'm in the AWS console. There I have one Ansible server and two client servers are there. And as I already connected to the client servers, and the first tab is nothing but Ansible server. Fine. Just click on LL. Right now there are no YAML files are available for me. I am going to create one YAML file. So what is the how we are going to create the file? Vi main.yml. Otherwise, I am going to mention handler.yml. Fine. Enter. Go to insert mode, and here if you observe here in handler, I am going to copy the same. Paste here. Yes. As you know, just go up. Any YAML file starts with 3 hyphens. Enter. Here coming to host, I just want to perform in all the hosts, and I just want to log in as a root user, and the tasks which I am going to execute on the remote servers is nothing but the name of the task is install HTTPD, and what the module here I am going to using action, and what is the name of the package which I am going to install the target server HTTPD, and here the state is present. It means it is going to install the package, and it is going to notify once the package has been successfully installed. It is going to notify restart HTTPD. Here the handlers concept comes into picture. What is the name? What are the name which we had mentioned here? We need to mention the same here. Name is equal restart HTTPD, and the action which we are doing right now is the service name is HTTPD. I am going to restart the service because without starting of service I can't be able to use the HTTPD service. That's why once the installation has been successfully done, I just need to restart the service. For that purpose, here I am going to use this scenario for the handler concept. Press escape, semicolon, WQ. And what is the command to execute the playbook? Ansible hyphen playbook space. Here what is the YAML file? Handler. This is the YAML file which I want to execute. Enter. What will happen? Just have a look. It is going to install the HTTPD service initially. Once it has been installed, running handler. Had you observed this? It is going to restart HTTPD and just check whether the service has been successfully installed and running on the targeted server or not. The command is systemctl status HTTPD. Enter. Is the service running or not? Yes, it's running, and If you want to check the same in the dev server as well, that is nothing but the second client server. Systemctl status httpd, enter. In this also it is successfully running. If you want to check over browser, how I will be able to do that? So I am going to select the test server. Whatever the server you want, either you can select the dev server or test server. Okay, open the public IP and copy paste in the browser, then you will be able to see in the browser as well. It is taking time, but surely it will be shown out to you because of the HTTPD service is successfully running in the targeted server. And at the same time, I am going to open the dev server as well, and this is the public IP. Fine. Here it needs to be displayed some content, as we had already installed the HTTPD service over there. But simply in this way we can be able to install and run the HTTP service with the help of handlers concept. But it is a failure concept. Generally this handler concept is not at all used by the corporates. But you just need to understand what the handler concept. So for that purpose I just made a video on it. Okay guys, hope you guys understood. Thank you for joining into my session. I will meet up you in the next session with a new topic. Until signing off, thank you, bye bye.